and today I'm here with you guys with another video. I'm gonna be doing my makeup, creating a makeup look, which is by using all the local affordable products available in Pakistan. Products which are locally available and you don't have to go through the hassle of buying them online, headache of buying expensive makeup. Digged into our makeup stash and collected all the products which were like local and easily available, which are affordable, which we can easily get and buy through our local shops and anything like that. This is the primer. This is called the Kiss Beauty Prime and Fine. I'm going to be using this as my face primer, Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base, and a mattifying long-lasting oil-free primer. Let's try it out. I'm going to be taking some of it, mainly focusing on my pores and area where the oil is expected to arrive. I don't know if it makes any sense. Oh yeah, covering the pores. Yeah, I'm gonna be using the Fair and Lovely BB cream, which is a foundation and fairness cream, instant fair look makeup finish. It's BB cream which has a fairness cream as well as it works as a foundation, as well as I use this product a lot. Pretty decent product, and I wanted to try this out in front of the camera so you guys could see if you wanted to try out the Fair and Lovely BB cream, so you can see the result it does to my face. Doing this, and I'm gonna be applying this like regular motions. Give you a full coverage kind of look like the foundation does, but it does a pretty job. It does a good job. That's how my skin looks after applying it. I think it's a pretty decent, nice product, and it blends out easily on your skin. For the concealer, I'm going to be trying out this product for the first time. It's the ADS Professional Makeup Concealer. I'm sure you have heard the name ADS, as it's always showing up around your Facebook timeline through different Facebook pages which sell makeup from this particular brand called ADS. We're trying out this now. Shine compact powder in the shade Ivory. It is a face compact powder. It does a good job, so I'm gonna be trying out this today. I would really recommend Steins compact powders. They work really great. I mean, I have a personal past experience. Done, foundation done, primer done, concealer done, and setting my face is done. This is a very old kit which I got like 4 to 5 years ago. It's kind of a dupe replica of Maybelline one. It's called Daier eyeshadow, popular fashion. I write word of the brand. But yeah, it's a makeup kit which has like 3 shades. Now I'm going to be testing it. I have used this in the past as well, and the shimmery shades work pretty well. I'm going to be showing you how these look actually. It's pretty good, pretty good. Taking the middle one first, the golden one. Done with my eyeliner, I'm gonna be moving forward to with my mascara. I'm using the Essence Highlights Extreme Mascara. It is not a local Pakistani brand, but I chose this because it's easily available everywhere and it's quite affordable. Like it's around 400 to 500 rupees, and it's the most affordable I could get through my makeup stash. LDM brand's bronzer. It's actually a brown blush, but I'm gonna be using this as a bronzer. It's a shimmery luminizer kind of bronzer. Blush. I'm using this Romantic Buds blush, which is a sort of a blush plus highlighter. It's so pretty. I'm using this highlighter, which was sent to me by reasonables.com. They make like handmade glitter eyeshadows and highlighters. It's a cream highlighter. I'm gonna be wearing it with my help of my finger. My highlighter, I'm gonna be moving to the last step, which is the lips. I have this lip liner which I'm gonna be using. Then I have this Medora lipstick, then these glosses. So I'm gonna be trying out with this combination, Medora lipstick and this crystalline lip liner. This is what's left inside the lipstick. So much used. It's actually my mom's. It's nicely blended, the pink and the brown, like this. Gloss from Rivage. Ravaz is also a local brand. I'm not a lip gloss person honestly, but I just wanted to try out this whole look, you know. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I loved creating it. I hope this helped out to people who are looking for some affordable local brands in Pakistan and they don't want to invest themselves, you know, into buying expensive makeup. So I hope this video helped you guys in any way. So guys, do let me know how you found this video and do leave your comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share my video. We'll see you guys with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.